Welcome to Sawmill Creek on the shores of Lake Erie. Our beach is beautiful and everyone's looking for a beach. Golf. This golf course was designed by Tom Fazio, the #1 architect in the country. This property is one of a kind. You just won't find anything else like it in Ohio. That's the real reason people come here, for the beauty. '18 championship holes, right on the shores of Lake Erie. These are some of our home sites. The marina holds 176 slips for boats or jet skis, and we also have kayak rentals. This year looks like fun. The beach is gorgeous, and just beyond that is another beach, a huge beach, two of the best in the state of Ohio. How about Sheldon Marsh Nature Preserve? Great place for bird watching, deer, turtles, herons, egrets, and eagles. This is the place to relax. Build a sandcastle. Take a ride on a boat. Sawmill is known for its restaurants, it's known for its conference centers and meetings, and it's known for its shops. Great ladies, men's, and gifts. Come and stay for a night at Sawmill Creek Resort. You'll have a great time, and a lot of different packages are available on our website. See you soon at Sawmill Creek.